Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a new conversation in Duck AI in 2026, for example, to have a chat or a communication or conversation with the artificial intelligence on Duck AI. So let us guide you through this. So in the first step you will need to access Duck AI. You may access it, for example, through a web browser on a mobile or on your desktop computer. For instance, if you're on your desktop computer, launch your web browser. I'm going to go with DuckDuckGo. And here guys, on the home screen of DuckDuckGo, click into Duck AI here or here in the top right. Or if you'd like to access Duck AI through another web browser, you can use the URL here. Simply type in Duck AI and navigate to the panel here. So once you're in Duck AI, you have three options for chats: text chat, voice chat, and image. You can upload an image, for example, in PNG or JPEG file format and ask the artificial intelligence to describe or to analyze what is depicted on the image. So let us go with a text chat. You may use also a shortcut for that. In this case here, the shortcut would be Control, Left Shift and O, or if you're using a Mac, I assume it will be Command, Left Shift and O. And click into it, and after that you will see the text field. So here you may enter your prompt, your question to start the conversation. Once you have entered your prompt, press enter on your keyboard or click into this button. Before you do that, you may also change or select your language model here, customize the responses, attach files like Word documents, PDF documents, photos, images. And once you have done that, guys, let me just navigate to one of my past chats here. You will see the chat history here with your prompts marked within that, or depicted in a speech bubble like this here, and Duck AI's replies will be listed below here without the speech bubble, and you can browse through your chat history and continue your conversation by using the text field here at the bottom. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.